Two college basketball teams are giving back to workers on the front lines of this pandemic. Today, we went down to Corvallis to see how volunteers are showing their support to those people who are working so hard.
You guys are awesome.
Donned in gloves and a mask, Oregon State men's head basketball coach Wayne Tinkle, along with his wife and son, went out today to grab food donations in Corvallis. They're joining up with an organization called Feed the Fearless, helping bring meals to those in need during the pandemic.
They've raised so much money. They've taken care of all of the hospitals up in Portland and Vancouver areas, and they had some extra. They wondered if we would maybe be willing to reach out to help the same here.
They dropped the food off at two locations, 150 meals to Good Samaritan and 50 to the Corvallis Manor Nursing Home.
We're hoping to expand a little bit and help some more people out.
Thank you.
Mike MAKELVIE started Feed the Fearless, giving meals to healthcare workers and those on the front lines in Portland and Vancouver. They've raised more than $19,000 since the crisis started and thought he should expand to other areas. He got the idea to come to Corvallis after Tinkle's daughter, who is a nurse herself, offered to lend a hand.
I just asked her, hey, is it okay if we, drop off down in Corvallis at Good Samaritan? And she was all about it.
We're doing our part to pick up the food, deliver it, doing everything we can, both individually, by staying safe and isolating, but also trying to help out the community.
For Tinkle and his family, this is a labor of love and a way to show his support for those on the front lines.
We ask so much for support from our community. We really believe it's vital to give back, not just necessarily in times of crisis like now, but anytime.
Yeah, and in addition to donations today, members of the Oregon basketball team will be doing food pickup and deliveries in Eugene on Friday.